Okay, hello and good day everyone, no? So today we will discuss naman na yung next topic, no, in factoring, which is all about factoring trinomials whose leading coefficient is 1. Okay? So factoring trinomials whose leading coefficient is 1, no? To factor, first make a two parentheses. Second, get the factor of the first term. Then the third one, get the factors of the last term that if we add or subtract them, the result would be equal to the numerical coefficient of the middle term. Okay, here, number 1, example. We have x squared plus 7x plus 12, no? Okay. Una, gawa tayo ng two parentheses, no? The next, get the factors of first term. Ano yung first term natin? We have x squared. Ano yung factors ng x squared? Automatic x times x yun. Then, next, get the factors of, okay, lagyan natin na isang x. Get the factors of 12, no? What are the factors of 12? So maglilista tayo since 12 is not a perfect square, no? Maglilista tayo ng mga factors of 12. We have 3 times 4, 2 times 6. We have 1 times 12. We also have negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. We have negative 2 times negative 6. We have negative 1 times negative 12. So all of these are factors of 12. Now, ang gagawin natin, we will choose which of these factors that if we add those two factors, the sum is 7. Okay? So saan dito? Anong pair ng factors of 12 na kapag in-add down natin, no, lalabas si positive 7. Okay? So try natin yung 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. But if we add 3 and 4, the result is 7. So the factors here are, the factors that we should use here are 3 and 4. No? So we have x plus 3, x plus 4. So ito yung magiging factor ng x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay? Next, number 2. We have x squared minus 5x plus 6. Again, no, two parentheses muna. Then factors of x squared, automatic x times x lang. Then factors of 6. Okay, tig-isang x, no? Factors of 6, we have 3 times 2, 1 times 6, negative 3 times negative 2, negative 1 times negative 6. Okay? And then now, tulad ng ginawa natin sa number 1, okay, we will choose which of this pair of factors of 6 that if we add, the sum is negative 5. So which of these? Try natin si 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. But yung sign niya is positive. Dapat negative eh. So node 1 and 6, dapat yung, I mean, 1 plus 6 is 7. So 7, dapat 5 yon, negative 5. So hindi pwede si 1 and 6. How about negative 3 and negative 2? Negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. No? So pwede, pasok si negative 3 and negative 2. Therefore, we have negative 3 here and negative 2. So the factors are x minus 3, x minus 2. Okay? Next, number 3. X squared plus x minus 2. Okay? Again, two parentheses. Then factors of x squared is x times x. Then what about for negative 2? What are the factors of negative 2? We have 2 times negative 1. Isa yung negative, isa yung positive because yung product is negative. No? So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And the other one is negative 2 times 1. Remember, class, magkaibang number to. Ito positive, ito negative, ito positive. No? So magkaibang number yon. The negative 2 times 1 is negative 2 also. Then now, which of these two factors? Meron pa ba? Dalawa na lang, no? So which of these two factors that if we add, the sum is, what should be the sum here? Or the numerical coefficient. We have 1 kasi walang nakalagay, automatic 1 yan. So dapat yung sum, pag in-add natin no, yung two factors, the sum is positive 1. So which of these? Try natin si 2 and negative 1. 2 plus negative 1, 2 plus negative 1, magkaiba yung sign. So subtract natin. 2 minus 1 is 1. Positive. No? Therefore, we have here x and then plus 2 minus 2. Pasok siya dito kasi positive 1 yung numerical coefficient dito eh. Then if we add this one, positive 1 ang sagot. Ito naman, negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. No? Kasi mas malaki si 2 kahit 1 at saka yung sign nito is negative. So negative 1 ang sagot dito. Hindi siya pasok. Ito lang ang pasok. 2 plus negative 1. Therefore, here, no, the factors of x squared plus x minus 2 are x plus 2 times x minus 1. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. Find the factor of the following. We have x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay? Factors of x squared, we have x times x. Factors of 12. Okay, so may mga list na ako dito. Una, we have 12 times 1. We have 6 times 2. We have 4 times 3. Then we have negative 12 times negative 1. We have negative 6 times negative 2. We have negative 4 and negative 3. Now, which of these factors of 12 that if we add those two factors, the sum is 7. So saan dito? 12 plus 1, that is 13. Hindi pwede. 6 plus 2, baka ma-confuse kayo ha. Sinasabi kong plus, times to. Sabi ko kanina, i-add lang natin para makuha natin yung uh, yung factor, no? 6 plus 2, pag in-add natin yung 6 and 2, that is 8. Hindi pwede kasi 7 yung middle term. How about 4 and 3? 4 plus 3, that is 7, no? So 7 ang gagamit, I mean si 4 entering gagamitin natin. Therefore, we have x plus 3, x plus 4. So saan manggagaling yung mga signs? O, kaning sign niya? Kung positive to, plus. Kung positive to, plus. Kung negative, magma-minus ka dito. Okay, ganun lang yon. Then we have x plus 3 times x plus 4. Next, x squared minus 8x minus 9. Okay, now, factors of x squared, we have x times x. Factors of negative 9, we have negative 9 times 1, 9 times negative 1, and negative 3 times 3. Okay, now, which of these pair of factors that if we add those two factors, the sum is negative 8? Try natin negative 9 and 1. Negative 9 plus 1, we have negative 9 plus 1, we have negative 8. So negative 9 and 1 ang gagamitin natin. We have x minus 9 times x plus 1. So ito yung magiging factors niya. Next, number 3. We have x squared minus 14x plus 40. Now, factors of x, we have x squared equal to x times x. Factors of 40, we have marami. Now, 40 times 1, 20 times 2, 10 times 4, 8 times 5 are all factors of 40. No? Sa negative naman, negative 40 times negative 1 is positive 40. Negative 20 times negative 2 is positive 40. Negative 10 times negative 4 is positive 40. Negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40. Then now, which of these pair of factors that if we add, the sum is negative 14? Saan dyan? Try natin si 40 times 1. Add natin 40 and 1. 40 plus 1 is 41. Malayo kay negative 14. How about si 20 and 2? 20 plus 2 is 22. Malayo pa rin. How about 10 and 4? 10 plus 4 is 14. No, but yung sign ng 14 is positive and negative to. Dapat negative yung result eh. So, hindi siya pwede. Now, kung positive to, hanapin natin yung negative form ng 10 and 4. That is negative 10 and negative 4. Negative 10 plus negative 4 is negative 14. So, yung factor natin is x minus 10, x minus 4. Okay? So, that's it, no? Okay, so thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.